Why is an AI first strategy completely messed up? My name is Ravi Verma. I'm the org whisperer at orgwhisperers.com, and I want to offer a challenging and provocative view today. Let me give you an example. Let's imagine you are an investor. You are saving money and investing money for some financial goal. It could be your retirement, maybe you are saving money to buy a house, or for some emergency like a healthcare emergency, God forbid. So you invest in a company that manages your investments. Let's say it's Vanguard or Fidelity, and the product owner at Fidelity or Vanguard or whoever is managing your investments comes to you and says, "Hey, we have implemented an AI first strategy and we have spent $1 million. What would be your response?" You are both the buyer of the product because you are giving them money, and you may also be a user of the product. So you may be using their portal to keep track of your investments and make investment decisions and maybe reallocate your investments. So the product owner of your investment management product comes and says to you, "Hey, we have just spent millions of dollars. We have an AI first strategy. We have AI first tactics. We have AI first execution. What are you likely to do? Are you going to throw them a parade because they have an AI first strategy? Probably not. You're going to say, what does that mean for me? What's in it for me? How is this going to help me achieve my financial goals?" Because your product is a means to the end. And if you're using generative AI, you have an AI first strategy, fantastic. How will it help me get more of what I want through the use of your product? So now take off your buyer and user hat and put on your product manager or entrepreneur or CXO hat. And now go on the other side. And as you are considering this once in a generation development in terms of generative AI, instead of having an AI first strategy, have an ROI first strategy. Ask your investors, how will you know that your precious money that was spent in executing an AI first strategy was well spent? Ask your customers, the buyers, and say, what will convince you that our application of an AI first strategy has generated ROI for the money you are investing in our product, in buying our product? Ask your users, what will convince you that our AI first strategy is helping you get more of what you want through the use of our product, addressing your pains and your gains? Challenge me if you feel my perspective is messed up so I can learn from you. Drop me a comment on what resonated, what didn't, and what would you advise others who are considering an AI first strategy so that they can maximize the benefit of AI and minimize the risk of AI? Until our next conversation, thank you. Bye bye.